Hi, in this section, we're going to create the contents card. So we are going to create this card. So we're gonna use it in our content section. So let's go to the components page, and first let's pick the rectangle tool, click and drag, and let's give it 5 pixel border radius. So this will contain our image, and let's add a text title my simple content and align it to the left. This will be the title of my card. Let's change its style to H3 and color style to light background color. Command C and Command V to duplicate and change its style to paragraph and color style to mute text color. Let's copy this text from our precedent card and paste it here. Let's click from this side and drag. So here is our paragraph. Let's go to our text style. Let's hit this edit style. Let's add some line height. Okay, it will be 150%. That's great. As you can see, it added the line height to all the component using, or the text layer using this same paragraph text style. So that's great. Next, let's add an image to my card. So to do that, let's head to plugins and search for Unsplash. Okay, hit run and let's search for product. Let's pick this image, select our image. Next, let's select all the layers of my card, click Command G to add to group, and then go to auto layout, transform it to auto layout, and change its name to content card and transform it to a component. Let's go to assets, and here is our card components. That was all for this part. Next, we are going to design our newsletter forms. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next part.